Let's start the traditional beauty secrets of Pakistani girls. Welcome back to my channel, Glow Up Guide. Pakistani beauty secrets that have been passed down through generations, focusing on both skin and hair care. Pakistani traditional skincare secrets, natural ingredients that are both effective and easy to find. In today's video, I'll be sharing the best kept secrets of Pakistan's skincare and hair care. First, Multani Mitti, great for oily skin and acne control. Besan, gram flour, masks, helps brighten and exfoliate. Rosewater and last yogurt and honey mix natural moisturize. These remedies aren't just about looking good, but feeling confident in your natural beauty. Let's start the video. We talk about Pakistani beauty secrets. Number 1, Multani Mitti, Fuller's Earth. It absorbs excess oil, deeply cleanses, and minimizes pores. Perfect for acne-prone skin. How to use Multani Mitti. Mix with rosewater or yogurt, apply for 15 minutes, and rinse for a clean, matte finish. Number 2, Besan, gram flour. Pakistani beauty routines wouldn't be complete without besan, a powerful, natural ingredient that works wonders for your skin. Gram flour face pack, natural cleanser that brightens skin and exfoliates dead cells. How to use gram flour. Mix with turmeric and milk for a glowing, even complexion. Number 3, rosewater 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀𝐈𝐌𝐄𝐑. Rosewater is a versatile, gentle beauty ingredient that's been cherished for centuries, especially in South Asian cultures. It's made by distilling rose petals and is packed with soothing, hydrating, and anti-inflammatory properties. Next, how to use rosewater. Spritz on the face throughout the day or use it as a toner after cleansing. Number 4, yogurt and honey mask. The yogurt and honey glow mask is a powerhouse combo, especially for Pakistani girls who face hot summers, pollution, and dryness in winter. Let's break down the benefits. Number 1, honey benefit for skin. Deeply moisturizes, fights acne, brightens skin, helps fade dark spots, giving a radiant, even complexion. Number 2, yogurt exfoliates naturally. Packed with lactic acid, yogurt gently removes dead skin cells for a smoother, brighter look. Fades dark spots, helps lighten acne scars, suntan, and pigmentation, a common issue with South Asian skin. Next, how to use. Mix 2 tablespoons yogurt with 1 tablespoon honey, apply for 10 minutes, and wash off. Next, we move on to Pakistani hair care secrets for strong, shiny hairs. Next, we talk about on mustard oil massage. Mustard oil massage helps you to stimulate blood circulation, nourishes the scalp, and promotes hair growth. Next, we talk about on amla for hair growth. Amla helps to strengthen hair roots and prevents premature graying, also increases hair growth. Next for henna, mehndi for conditioning. Henna helps you to condition your hair and adds natural hair color. Next, egg and yogurt hair mask. Eggs are rich in protein, making hair strong and shiny, while yogurt hydrates the scalp. And there you have it, powerful Pakistani beauty and hair care secrets that can transform your skincare and hair care routine. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more, and share it with a friend. Thank you so much for watching.